Hey, this is Aaron Parker with Parker Safes and Vaults in Shelbyville, Tennessee. And this is Jane. And Jane has been thinking about buying a safe to protect her valuables for quite a while now. She has some jewelry and some cash and some precious metals, some family heirlooms, some documents, and even a few firearms that she'd like to protect. But what safe should she get? There's so many out there. And how much do they cost? And what about these delivery guys? If they deliver it, are they gonna damage her house? And how long does this take? Like, do we have to order it? Does it take a long time to get a safe? So many questions. But then Jane remembers she had some friends that purchased safes from a company. What was that company? Oh, that's right. Parker Safes and Vaults in Shelbyville, Tennessee. Yeah, that's right. We've been helping people protect what they treasure for a long time now, and we can help you too. I think we'll get a call from Jane, but after we get done talking with her, why don't you give us a call, and we'll help you get your stuff protected too.